In Sherman County, Oregon, near the town of Wasco, Biglow Canyon Wind Farm became a major step forward in utility-scale renewable energy for the Pacific Northwest. Developed for Portland General Electric, Biglow Canyon became PGE's first wind farm, a landmark project that helped expand clean energy generation across the region. With approximately 450 megawatts of installed capacity, the project required large-scale planning, land coordination, wind resource evaluation, transmission strategy, equipment logistics, and long-term infrastructure development. Murphy International Development's involvement reflects the company's core strength, helping complex renewable energy projects move from concept toward real-world execution. Through project development support, technical coordination, renewable energy planning, and strategic infrastructure guidance, Murphy International helps bring together the pieces that make large-scale energy projects possible. Biglow Canyon is more than turbines on open land. It represents what happens when clean energy vision, utility-scale planning, and practical project execution come together. From wind and solar to geothermal, energy efficiency, environmental services, and global consulting assignments, Murphy International supports companies, utilities, and project teams working to build smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable energy solutions. Murphy International Development Corporation. Renewable energy, capacity building, and sustainability in action.